Awesome. Let's record. Let me share my screen. Desktop to share. All right. Let me just also open up the chat. I can see that in the same window. Awesome. All right. Can everyone see this Canva file? Where's the chat? So you guys can see this Canva file that says unlock the future. Okay. Awesome. Okay, you guys, this is going to be a very informal training. So this is, I've been working on this, I almost want to say since the beginning of the year. This has been a labor of love. As AI has evolved, it has grown into something different than it started with. In the beginning of the year, honestly, I wanted to launch it much sooner. I think I started in January, but the tech and everything wasn't available yet. So it was actually kind of a nightmare. So as you guys know, those of you that are in funnels, of course, the entire software suite is to make it as easy as possible so that you don't have to zap systems together by using this email and this social media or this funnel. So everything is under one roof in the funnel, in this software system. And with this AI product that I was working on, it was kind of like a software nightmare where it used this one for chat and this one for phone. So this is why it took a while longer to launch, because I really wanted to make this system as easy as possible and have it as valuable as a tool as possible for digital marketers and especially for the DWA community. So now it's finally ready, and you guys are going to be the first to see it. So only Rachel has seen this, and she's given her a stamp of approval on the system, the funnels. So I'm showing you guys next. And as I mentioned, this is going to be a very informal training. This isn't like a webinar where I'm selling anything or pitching anything. I'm just going to show you a behind the scenes look of what is launching in funnels, of course. And this is also the new version of funnels, of course. So for those of you that have been with FOC for a while, when we launched DWA and all the courses were MRR, and now it's affiliate marketing. So the digital marketing space has evolved so much. And we're now with this AI offer evolving with it, where we're offering a complete unique solution that is not only going to benefit your business, but also give you such an amazing, unique tool that you can resell in order to make your offer so much more attractive. I just want to say quickly for those of you that joined while I was talking, I'm going to be sending a recording. So I haven't started with the slides yet, but I will be sending a recording to anyone that joins late. All right, okay, so let's get started with the slides. Let me go into full screen mode. Okay, awesome. So, okay, let's get started. I'm so excited to share this. Okay, so unlock the future of digital sales with the power of AI. And this is going to show you a full bot system, as I mentioned, that you can add to your offer to make it more irresistible so that you can outsell your competition. So as you guys know, everyone is selling DWA, but most people are going to fan bases, grabbing their link, posting it on social media. So everyone is posting the same link. So what if you could outsell your competition by using AI to sell for you? So the problem with affiliate marketing at the moment is, I mean, we want to make it as simple as possible. Everyone wants to sell. No one likes anything complicated. But everyone going to fan bases, grabbing a link, reselling it, it means that everyone is doing the exact same thing. And then they post content like 3 times a day, if that. But the problem with that is that posting an affiliate link only means that you're not capturing the leads, you're not following up on the leads. It's basically a post and pray or post and spray or whatever strategy, where it's not a converting system or even a strategy at all just to paste an affiliate link. So this is why we created this system, to make it easier to get those leads, convert those leads, and have a system that does all the hard work for you. So the solution that we came up with is a full bot or a AI system that does the work for you. So it captures the leads for you. It follows up via email, chat, SMS, phone. It closes the sales for you 24/7, and it bundles perfectly with your digital wealth offer. So not only if you're selling DWA, not only does it sell DWA for you, but you can bundle it. Like, Rachel has the 497 and the 597, like the Digital Wealth Academy and the business bundle. So you can even do this where you're taking this AI suite and you're bundling with DWA. And that means your offer is completely unique. There's no one else in the market selling this. So that gives you just such a massive competitive advantage because you're doing what no one else is doing. So most affiliates are just selling access to a course. By taking this AI system and reselling it, you're selling transformation because you're giving a real solution to a problem in the digital marketing world. With this AI bot system, your offering isn't just a course link, it's a high value bundle that includes all the setup, all the tech, and the results. All right, so I'm going to introduce you to the 4 bots that's doing the DWA selling. So the first is the chatbot. The chatbot is Cara. So here in the top right, you'll see Cara says, I answer digital product questions 24/7 via chat and guides him through the funnel and makes the sale. So this is the chatbot that's installed in the funnel. So if anyone comes to your Digital Wealth Academy funnel, then if they have questions, they chat to Cara, the bot, and then she answers all the questions. So this bot has been extensively trained on all things DWA. So all the questions, on Instagram, people would say, DM me if you have any questions. Or Rachel often says a lot like, today I'm tackling questions. This bot is trained to answer all those questions for you 24/7. The next we have Lila, the lead bot. So this is a unique white labeled software that we're importing into the system that is a lead generation software that we're giving free. Oh, sorry, it just said that I'm offline. Is everything still okay? All right. Sorry, let me just pull up the chat. My chat said I'm going offline. Is everyone's lost you? Oh, goodness. Is everyone still there? Okay. Oh, goodness. Where did you guys lose me? Did you hear about Lila, the lead bot? Okay. Oh my word, like my heart almost stopped. The internet dropped. Okay. Luckily, everyone is still here. I didn't have to join back in. Okay. Thank goodness. Okay. Let me start over with Lila. So Lila is a lead gen software that's included in the Funnels of Course suite. So when you log into Funnels of Course, the software, one of the tabs is the lead gen software that you can use to search for free leads, and that integrates perfectly into Funnels of Course so that it follows up on the leads and
A few minutes. This micro is legit.
sorry. So that it follows up with the leads and then also guides them through the funnel and converts them into a sale. So basically, it's a free lead generation software that you can use to get leads. All right, so that's Lila. Next up is Anna. So Anna is the automation bot. So she does all the back-end work of doing the follow-ups, the automations, and basically running the system while you sleep. So where anyone would come through the funnel on chat or phone or the lead gen. So Anna is the back-end automation that like sends all the emails back and forth and do the tagging and like all the like manager work, we can call it, she does on the back end. And then the last and my favorite one is Paul, the phone bot. So you guys, I'm going to show you a demo now. This is so cool. Like I've spent, I want to say hours on the phone with Paul, like training, talking, asking questions, getting her to sound as human-like as possible. So this is an actual bot that's been installed in the funnel. So now the funnel has a section where it says, if you want to talk to someone, call this number, and then Paul answers the phone and she answers all questions. And the very cool thing about this at the end is if the people are interested in buying, then a follow-up email gets sent because the bot is trained to ask questions like, tell me your name, your surname, your email address. Am I spelling it correctly? Is this what you're saying? Okay, let me spell it for you. So it's trying to get all that valuable information so that that can be translated in the back end into an email and then send all the information via email. So just imagine how powerful this is if you're posting on social media and you're doing reels and people are going to your link in bio and then they go through to this funnel. Now they have the ability to chat, the ability to phone, And on the back end, the lead gen software and the automations are all working to just get those people to convert into sales. All right, so let me show you the demo. So I'm going to drop this link into the chat so that you guys, after the call, you can test it out yourself. I'll get to the next couple of slides in a bit, where I'm going to be asking for, or I'm going to be opening 5 spots of beta users. Because before I launch this public, and I'm going to be running ads to this and doing webinars and all of that, before I do that, I'm giving it away for free to beta members. So I want you guys to test this, and you can go to the funnel. You can, first of all, see what the funnel looks like, do the chat, do the phone, experience it as your customers would. So you go through the funnel as if you're a customer wanting to purchase DWA, because that's what you're going to be sending your customers to. And then if you're interested in becoming a beta member, then I have a form where you guys can apply. All right, so let me open it for you. This is the demo website. So I don't know if you guys have seen the updated Digital Wealth Academy branding. So this is Rachel's site. Let me just, oh goodness, no, where's the sales page? Let me just show it to you. Okay. So this is Rachel's, well, the official digitalwealthacademy.com website. And this is what it looks like. So, I mean, I can't copy her designs without her permission, obviously, because it's copyrighted to her and the designer she paid to do this. However, I modeled the funnel after this to have the DWA rebranded, the green look and everything. And then Rachel approved this funnel. So this is now officially hosted within Funnels, of course. I mean, so this is the most updated funnel that's out there. This is what it looks like. So it has the DWA logo, and then it has the phone number, where if people are on mobile and they click this, then it opens up their phone automatically, and it automatically phones this number. If they're on desktop, they can use FaceTime, or they can just type in the number. So this is the sales page. And then the sales copy, testimonials, and then it has like all the layout of everything included in DWA. Join Digital Wealth Academy. And then just a guarantee at the bottom, all of that. FAQs. And then we end with a call to action saying, if you still have questions, click the chat on the right-hand side or phone us. So all of these buttons, first of all, this is all gonna, if someone is interested in buying directly, all of these buttons are gonna link to either take the payment on Funnels, of course, or as some people prefer, to take the payment on Fanbases. So it would then link to the Fanbases checkout. So all of these buttons are set up to your payment, where you receive your DWA payment. And the phone and the chat is there to answer all questions. And if they have any questions on DWA and they ask, oh, okay, where can I buy? They give your Fanbases link. Or if you're hosting it on FOC, they give your FOC order form link. So this is all pre-built into, like, when we do the setup, we put those custom values in to take your unique address, your unique affiliate link, so that all the sales go to your links. So this is the chat bot. So this is Cora, and then you'll see I already answered some questions. But you're basically, when you go to this site, you can go through here and you can ask as if you're a customer. So what would your customer ask about? Maybe how quick can they see results, or what are the payment plans, or how can they sell from anywhere in the world? Like whatever you think your customer would ask, go to Cora and chat to Cora, and then see how this bot works. And then go to this phone section and phone the bot and see how the bot answers questions. So I'm going to drop this in the chat for you guys. Okay, so the website's name is dwabot.com. I'll also be sending this via email just as a replay. So you guys can check that out. And let me get back to the site just to open up the form for you guys, for those that want to be the first to get this loaded in their accounts. So the beta testers that we're that basically this training is for. I'm looking for 5 existing Funnels of Course users. So you already have a Funnels of Course account. This is to test this full bot system before it goes public. So as a beta user, you'll get the free setup. So you can read there, it says after this launch, it's going to be sold for $200, $197 to do the setup. So my business coach is actually like, when I said, oh no, I'm going to offer the setup for $197, like they were like practically mad because in the real world, when you do an AI setup, you don't charge anything below $1,000 because there's so much development that goes into launching AI bots on a system that to charge $200 for this is ridiculous. But this is basically just us paying the developer just to do all the setup. So there's like for this beta testers, you're going to get it for free, but after the launch, it's going to be sold for $200, which is still like the bare minimum we can offer it for. Then the other thing is that you can, as a beta tester, you now have this link to then sell it, to sell your DWA course. So your funnel is going to be set up with your fan bases or however you prefer to take the DWA sales. So you can use it for free. So we're not going to upsell you and say, okay, there's an add-on of this payment or that payment. Like it's yours for free. You can continue to use it as long as you wish. And you can also bundle this along with your DWA. So we'll show you all the automations and everything and set that up for you. So if you want to sell DWA and say, as a bonus, you get this free AI system, you can do that. And then you can earn commissions on that. And one of the requirements is to give feedback and become a featured case study, because as I mentioned, I want to do webinars to publicly launch this. And also the affiliate program that's going to be attached to this is going to be heavily reliant on webinars. So I'm using this 5 beta clients as case studies to promote in the webinars in order to sell the system. All right, so there's no payment, no catch, just your honest feedback and 5 beta spots available. So I'm going to give you the link and then you guys can join or apply. Okay, so after we work with the beta clients, I'm going to be launching this public and it's going to be available for resale. So this is going to give you a competitive advantage in the marketplace. So you don't only have the bots that sells DWA for you, but you have the bots to bundle with your DWA so that your offer is so much more irresistible. And for those of you that are familiar with the FOC affiliate program, this is also a 5-tiered commission. So this is an opportunity for you to sell the system and earn that 5 levels of commission. And because it's a software, that's monthly recurring income. And just to give you guys a sneak peek for those of you that's wondering what the future holds and what the resale opportunity is and what we're going to sell this for, we're calling this the Digital Success Suite. So basically, we're starting with DWA, but the Digital Success Suite is like all the bots and the software, all the funnels, everything pre-built that sells your digital products for you. So these are the 2 plans that's going to be available. So we're going to have the user plan, which is where the beta students are going to slip in. They're going to get the full bot system with the branded DWA and the trained AI bots for DWA. And then all 4 bots are going to be deployed, connected, set up, and everything done. Onboarding, it comes with the Funnels of Course software. For new clients coming into the system, they're going to get a 30-day free trial of Funnels of Course. And then it's going to be a $197 setup. So we're only charging the basically $200 setup to get all the bots and all your links and storefront and everything included in the system launched for you. So the bonus is that you can use the system to stand out and bundle with DWA in order to make your offer more compelling. And then we have the partner plan. So the partner plan is if you want to make high ticket commissions on reselling the system, it's everything in the user plan. So you get the DWA funnel, the bots, the installation. So that $197 setup fee is waived. It's included in this $970. And then you get 12 months on the software. So it's basically our current yearly plan. So if you come into Funnels, of course, at the moment, or if some of you are a yearly member, you would have paid $970 for the year. This is basically the year, plus you get the free setup, the bots for you, the resale opportunity, and 0 setup fees. So, I mean, this is the lowest we could offer it to give you guys the opportunity to launch with ease and to have the ability to resell it to make that commissions. So we're giving it at a lower price for the 197 setup and the 970 for the year to make it as irresistible as possible and to have also various price points. Because I mean, with high ticket, it's fun to sell high ticket, right? Like everyone likes making a lot of commissions, but it's not fun to buy high ticket. Like it's not fun to give out like $2,000 to spend it on something. So we wanted to make this as accessible as possible by having a starter friendly plan and then an upgrade plan, so that you guys as the buyers have the ability to choose from both, but also as the sellers, you don't just want to be stuck in selling high ticket. You now have two offers so that you can basically service both types. All right, and then we have an affiliate only link. So this is for anyone, if you're not in FOC, you're not interested in software, funnels, anything, you just want to sell this, then we're just charging a 10-month setup fee, and then you get your unique website with the affiliate link, and then you can resell the system and you can still earn the 5 levels of commission, but you're not going to have the AI or the bots or the software, anything like that. You're basically just getting the affiliate link and with a unique sales page and everything, and you can earn the commission. So that's the last offer that we're going to launch. All right, so this is the first of its kind system built specifically for DWA. It's Rachel approved. It's never seen before, as I mentioned in the beginning, and it's built from scratch with all of this automation in mind that gives you the competitive advantage in the market. So I mean, I've said this many times, you can use it to sell DWA, or you can bundle it. Let me just give you a sneak peek of what's next. So this is a launch specifically catered to DWA. It has the pre-trained DWA bots, but the future where we're seeing this going is, so you can't escape AI, right? Like even for those of us that are like not excited about it, like it's the future. I mean, it's taking over content, everything. AI is everywhere. So this is an opportunity to break into a market where AI hasn't penetrated into the digital marketing products yet. So we're launching just with AI bots for Digital Wealth Academy, but the vision is to take this and to sell it to all viral digital marketing courses. So for those selling UBC, SWC, FFAI, all of that, or in the future, to take this and to train our Funnels of Course community how to create bots themselves. So you can even take this and you can go into an agency route. So for instance, if you want to, you can go to people like, say, in the fitness niche, and then you can find a course creator and say, hey, I'll do this for you. It's setup fee of X dollars, and then ongoing monthly recurring for management fees or whatever. So this bot really has the opportunity to go into the digital marketing done for you courses by selling to the masses, and then going into the agency mode where you can go to specific niches and then do that training and reselling yourself. So that's where this is going to go in the future. All right, and that's thank you. That's my presentation. Oh goodness, someone is joining. I'm at the very end of it. You guys, if you guys want to unmute yourselves, then you're welcome to do so and ask me any questions. In the meantime, let me drop the link for the form. Okay, so I'm going to drop this in the chat. If you guys can grab it there, please. Thanks, John. Okay, so that's the link to the Google form that you guys are going to fill in. So this is just asking for some basic details. I do want to say with this question that's saying, are you currently making sales of DWA? It would be good if you have some type of traction where you're already seeing some sales, because you're going to be able to test this bot's best if you're currently making sales. So say you're sending 50 people a day to your funnel or to your fan basis link. Then if you keep sending that 50 traffic now to the bots, it would be very good for you guys to see, okay, my current system is producing this much sales. The new system is producing that much sales. So that's why I asked in this question, are you currently making sales of DWA? Because this is going to be the easiest to test if you're already currently making sales. It's going to be more difficult to track the effectiveness of it if you're not making sales, because then you don't have data to go on. But I mean, that's if you answer no, you haven't made one sale of DWA, it's not a deal breaker. You can still experience the system and give feedback. So I just want to clarify that. And yes, this link, you can just, if you're an existing user of Funnels, of course, just put your link there. If you're not a user, that's also not a deal breaker. We can set you up with an account. And yes, that's it. All right. You guys, are there any questions? All right. I'm not seeing anything in the chat. Not yet. Okay, so for those of you that joined while the presentation was on, I'm going to send a replay link. I've also dropped the links in the chat. I don't know if you guys are able to scroll back. But you can grab the link for to see the demo site is dwabot.com. I'll just show it on the screen again. So there you can see the URL. It's dwabot. You can read this one. Elaine says, I purchased the yearly today. Do I get everything in the yearly you said? I mean, yes, I'm happy to give that to you. So I haven't even seen this purchase come through. Okay, welcome to FOC. Yes, okay, so I'll look for you in the CRM. Let me just take a screenshot of your name. I'm happy to give that to you anytime. Okay, I'll just look up your name in the CRM and then I'll get you connected with all of this. Just to give you some clarity on how this is going to work for those of you that are existing FOC users, this is going to be a secondary FOC account, because what we're doing with this is, so when you sign up to Funnels, of course, you get the regular snapshot that has, I mean, it has Digital Wealth Academy, Selling with Confidence, UBC, FFAI. It has all the viral digital marketing courses, the storefront funnel, the email automations, all of that. So that account is still yours. You can still use that. What we're doing with this is we're not going to load the bots into that account. We're going to give you a unique new account, because just for ease of setup, I mean, and you're going to benefit with that as well, because now you have two FOC accounts if you want to use one for another business, for instance. But this is, and I'm not going to charge you double or increase the price of the monthly. It's an add-on, so you get that for free. So we're going to be loading a secondary FOC account into your like suite. So basically, when you go into the software, you're going to be able to toggle in between the two. And then the one is your current one. I mean, you can always, if you don't want that one anymore, you don't have to use it. But the new bot one will be a new account, which is going to have this brand new funnel on it and all the AI and everything we discussed loaded on it. Okay, Lala is asking, for those who has not made a sale because we are brand new, will we be able to sell? Yes, I mean, of course, I'm opening this up to everyone, because I know as well, it's like, I know it's difficult. Like, I mean, there's been, I want to say, thousands of members that have come and gone through FOC, and a lot of people leave because they're not making sales. And I've seen this, and this is one of the reasons we developed this, because if this can just help you make sales, then I mean, then that's a massive win. So I know the largest percentage of people in DWA are struggling to make sales. And I also believe, so just, I mean, this is just my conviction, but when I came into the MRR world, so you guys would know when DWA and all the other courses launched, like you had the right, it was MRR back then, right, you guys? So you had the right to buy it and resell it for 100%. I was never 100% like happy with selling something that thousands of other people were selling. And that's why I created Funnels, of course, because I saw the gap in the market where instead of going with the masses and selling exactly what they're selling, let me take that and just put a spin on it and make it funnels. So I created Funnels, of course, with the pre-built funnels, and then I bundled that with selling DWA. So I've sold Funnels, of course, alone, and I've sold it as a package with Get Funnels and Digital Wealth Academy. So that was just my way to step into this market, but differentiate myself. And this is what I want for this offer as well. There's so many people selling DWA and struggling to make sales of DWA. And my hope for this is that this offer is going to be so unique that it's going to give you that competitive advantage, that it's going to lift you out of the competition where everyone is selling the same thing. Now you get to reposition your offer and you get to say, you get DWA, but look at these bots. Like no one else is doing this. What if bots sold for you? So that's really my wish for this is that it gives you that competitive advantage to lift you outside of like the 125 or 29,000 people selling the same thing, that would really position you as someone totally unique, where if they see 100 people, other people's links, and they see yours, they're going to buy from you because you offer it along with something totally unique. So yes, you can definitely you can buy it if you haven't made a sale, and you'll be able to sell it, resell it, like all of that. All right. Okay. So I hope that sorry, I didn't mean to go into a rant or tangent, but yeah, that's my hope for this. Okay, awesome. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you so much for joining. Okay, I'm gonna email everyone a replay of this because a lot of people registered and they didn't show up. I was asking, will people have unlimited use of the bots or, oh, okay, that's an excellent question. I should have actually put this into, I should have put that into the slides. It does come with usage. Let me put it up for you. Because I don't have the stats in front of me. I'll tell you exactly what it is now. That's a very good question. It works exactly the same as, so for those of you in FOC that are familiar with how our email sending credits work. So for instance, when you send 10,000 emails, you pay $10 per 10,000 emails. So it's on a usage basis. And this works the same. I'm gonna pull up the numbers for you quickly. That's a very good question. Sorry, I'll just have to find it quickly. Goodness, where do I see? Just bear with me for a second. Okay. I mean, I'll confirm this via email. Oh goodness. Where's the AI? Let me pull up the account and see if it's in here. Oh, thank you, Alicia. Let me see if it's in here. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna put this in an email. So I don't want to waste your time by searching everywhere now. Oh, here it is. Conversation AI. Oh, there we go. Okay, I can actually. Okay. Yes, I'll describe Lala again. I know I wasn't very clear on that. Because I actually want to test it out more with the beta, so that's why I didn't give too much information on Lala. But it's a lead gen software, so let me just pull this up. Where is it now? Okay. Can you guys see this? This charge to customer $10 will give you. So I hope you're able to see this. Okay, so it's basically the chat AI, the conversation is 0.04 cents, or I mean, you guys call it pennies or whatever, but $0.04 per message, and then 0.26 per minute voice call. I hope you guys can see this. So $10 gives you 250 chats and 40 minutes. So if you load $10 on your account, then your bot is going to be able to speak for 40 minutes on that $10 or type 250 messages. Are you guys able to see this? Yes. Okay, good. Okay, so that is the like the add-on cost. So it works exactly as the email marketing does. So it's basically like a credit system. So if you load $10 on your account and you don't send any traffic to your account and your bot only talks for like a minute a day or 5 minutes a day or whatever, then that $10 is going to last you the entire month. But if you're sending a lot of traffic, then the cost is going to be higher. All right. So I was asking, can you explain the Lala bot? You described it as unlimited leads. So how does it's a lead gen software. So I don't think I have it. Did I install it here? So it's a lead gen software that I branded as leads, of course, like with the funnels, of course, branding. It's basically it's originally designed as B2B software. So anyone like doing any like physical, like if you're in a specific town and you're in a specific industry, you're like looking for leads. So say you're like a carpenter and you're looking for leads in Florida or wherever, like it was originally designed for that. But then the software had an additional section that focused on groups and social media. So this is going to be especially helpful if you want to connect with specific social media influencers. So for instance, when I promoted funnels, of course, in the beginning, I partnered with influencers like Rachel, where I connected with her and then she promoted it to her audience for an affiliate commission. And the same can be done with this. So if you want to use the lead gen software to find specific people in specific groups, like if you want to go into Facebook groups or social media influencers, that lead gen tool just gives you the ability to search more refined, more than you would have been able to do like if you just typed in Instagram. So it just has some filters and like advanced search methods where you can find specific industries and specific people in specific roles. So I know for us in the digital marketing world, it's not going to be relevant in the B2B niche unless you're super creative and you want to like go into like, I mean, maybe there's an opportunity there, but in the social media world, when it comes to Facebook groups and Instagram, if you want to take this opportunity, and I'm going to provide all the training inside the school community. So I'll be expanding the affiliate model to if you want to connect with influencers or JV partners, and I'll be giving you guys all the marketing material, the slides, the email automation. So this gives you an opportunity to take this offer and find people like that by using the lead gen software because it has those search capabilities to be able to find people in that specific industries. So just to be honest with you guys, so I've installed it, but I haven't used it much myself. So that's why I didn't, is everyone still here? It looked like it dropped again. Connection is unstable. I hope you guys can still hear me. Okay, I'm sorry for the connection. Okay, we're back. Yes, so I'll be exploring it myself and then basically teaching it to the beta students. So when I work, okay, thank you guys. When I work with the beta students, then I'll give them like a thorough briefing of how to use that lead gen software. But yes, that's just a quick overview. I hope that makes sense. It's basically like a lead gen search engine that you're gonna have access to on the software. All right. Sorry for the internet dropping. South Africa for you. All right. When do you plan to launch after beta? So I plan to launch next week. So based on the responses I get today from that Google form, I'm going to be connecting with everyone tomorrow. So tomorrow's Thursday. I should be able to have all the beta accounts then set up by Friday. So then they can experience it. Even if they don't make sales on the beta account, it's more about getting the user experience. Like, what did they think as a user of the system? Do they like the bots? Does it work for them? Is it easy for them to run their business on this account? So if I can get feedback from the betas by, say, next week this time, then I'm ready to launch the official offer by this time next week. So, I mean, I've spent so much time developing this. I just, I want to sell it. And with funnels, of course, as well. I mean, it's gone through so many different variations. The same with Digital Wealth Academy. It started as just reselling the MRR with a few modules, and then it expanded into the beast of a course that it is today. So I'm also not going to like I'm going to launch, and I know it's going to grow as the members increase and the feedback and all the extra things gets added. So I do want to get this to market. I mean, before Black Friday, because this is going to be an amazing with Digital Wealth Academy 3.0 launching on Black Friday. So I don't know if you guys all saw that message. This would be a phenomenal opportunity to sell this along with DWA, because I know Rachel's probably going to do like a 397 launch for Black Friday. And if you guys can take this along with that, and I'll also put like a generous discount on this, I mean, then that's going to be exceptional for Black Friday. All right. Okay, awesome. So I'm going to end this meeting here. I'll send you guys all of this on email, and then you can just look out for that. And for those of you filling out the form, thank you so much for wanting to be a part of this. I'll be in contact with all of you. Awesome. Okay, all good. You guys, thank you for joining. I do really appreciate all of you taking the time. Thank you so much. Cool. All right, you guys. Thank you. Keep well. Bye.